Don't stare directly into the... Don't... What do you... No. See, what are you not... What were you talking about? You do. You can. What were you talking about?
I got to make a wish, my annual wish. Each day I have to make a wish. My wishes have been coming true.
At what time? Justine, what time do you make the wishes?
Anytime.
It's back, shut up.
But necklace goes can I wear it there?
You make no sense.
You get to make a wish.
Explain it to me later.
And then 11.
When the freaking commercial comes back on, you can explain it to me right now. This fucking show is back on and I want to watch it. Get the camera away.